So the test isn't too hard, I would say. The 8, you need to practice a bit, but everybody who's riding around here can pass.
Yeah, what about
Yeah, the figure 8, keeping your balance, but once you practice a bit, it's fine.
Hello everyone, my name is Ron from DC Motorbike. So congratulations for passing your driving test.
Thank you, Ron.
So how do you feel?
Oh, I'm quite relieved. Everything went smoothly, passed the test. So now finally legally on the road.
Nice. How about you?
Yes, very relieved also, very happy that it's done.
What do you think was the hardest part about the test overall?
Getting from District 7 to here with my bike. So the test isn't too hard, I would say. The 8, you need to practice a bit, but everybody who's riding around here can pass.
Oh, I see. Yeah, what about
Yeah, the figure 8, keeping your balance, but once you practice a bit, it's fine.
Okay. Yeah. So how do you feel about the services at DC Motorbike?
I think it was pretty smooth. I mean, everybody knows procedures in Vietnam and government is complicated, but with your company, everything worked out fine. Of course, it takes some time, but it was pretty smoothly.
Yeah.
And the communication was good as well.
Thank you. Yeah, we're happy to help you. Yeah.
Yeah, just felt very supported today, so I think everything went very smoothly.
So,
Thanks to you guys.
Okay, thank you. So would you recommend DC Motorbike to your friends? If,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes, I would. Yeah, if they want to do the license, I think it's a good place to start as a foreigner because you're kind of lost if you want to go to the authorities and stuff.
Yeah.
As a foreigner, you have no chance.
I see. And
Yep, same.
same. All right. Thank you very much. Have a good day.